In addition to substantiating by research, but scientific data, that there is a possibility of a natural control of heart disease, we also documented that natural health offers an answer to a cancer epidemic by the success of it is because we could correctly define the therapeutic target for controlling this disease. First idea is not new. It has been published in 1992 by Dr. Rath. In his scientific publication, here you see just the manuscript of it, he postulated that cancer can be effectively controlled if we control and if we can stop spread of cancer cells in the body. As you know, cancer patients die not because they developed a tumor in one organ, but because of metastasis, because of a spread of cancer cells and its invasion to different organs. 9 out of 10 cancer patients die of metastasis, not of primary tumors. And therefore, if we find the effective way to control metastasis, we can say we can control cancer. So our research has focused on finding effective natural way to control spread of cancer cells in the body. The first results were very promising, and we published them, we presented them in the largest newspaper in the USA, USA Today, and this was in 2002. In this presentation, we said that the combination of vitamin C, lysine, proline, extract from green tea and other micronutrients can stop the spread of cancer cells. This was the first results, and we were very excited that we have a chance to control this terrible disease. And this first information led to growing interest in the use of natural substances in controlling cancer. Last year, the Journal of Clinical Oncology published that currently there are about 100 clinical trials that are testing various natural substances and their combinations in the prevention and treatment of cancer. Our therapeutic target was to block the activity of enzymes that every cancer cell uses to create more space around it, to dissolve connective tissue that surrounds every cell in our body. And by blocking the activity of these enzymes and increasing the stability of this cellular surrounding, we can immobilize the movement of cancer cells and therefore prevent their spread and invasion in the tissue. There is no one magic nutrient that can do it, but our research has shown that the combination of several nutrients, vitamins such as vitamin C, amino acids, lysine, proline, arginine, also plant extracts coming from green tea, quercetin, and other, work in synergy, work together, and can effectively stop the spread of cancer cells. During the last 10 years, our studies have shown that this synergy of micronutrients is effective not only in stopping the spread of cancer cells, they can inhibit tumor growth. This nutrient combination can, of course, curb metastasis of cancer to different organs. In addition, it can decrease the growth of blood vessels, which feed tumors, and therefore it prevents tumor growth. In addition, it can also trigger death of cancer cells, not through the toxic effect, but through modulation of the genetic makeup of the cell and triggering the process which is called apoptosis, which means that cell commits suicide, dies of the by natural mechanism. And in addition, this nutrients mixture can control inflammation. So this shows that the synergy, the combination of few micronutrients has such a powerful effect on regulating, affecting key mechanisms involved in the process of cancer, affecting them at once. We confirmed the effectiveness of this combination in about 40 types of cancer cells, and we published more than 70 scientific publications substantiating and confirming this effectiveness of natural substances. Just few examples showing how synergy, how the combination of micronutrients compares to single substances. And of course, green tea is the very popular and very known substance that has anti-cancer effect. So we were comparing how the effectiveness of this combination, which we called nutrient synergy, compares to the effect of green tea on growth of breast tumors, which are induced in through chemicals. So after the tumors were visible, we transferred the tested animals to the diet that contains, in one case, this diet was enriched in green tea extract. In the other group, the diet was enriched in nutrient synergy. In the third group, animals were kept on the control standard diet. And as you can see, nutrient synergy was more effective than green tea in decreasing, in controlling the growth of breast tumors. It had also other benefits. Compared to green tea, the number of tumors per animal decreased from 4 in control group to 2 in green tea and to 1 with nutrient synergy only. About more than half of animals that were kept on nutrient synergy enriched diet did not had tumors at all, and none of the animals that was kept on nutrient synergy diet had high-grade tumors, while about 0.5% of the animals kept on green tea diet still had higher grade carcinomas. These are not the studies that we've done with micronutrients are not limited to studies conducted with cancer cells, with animal studies. We also had many patients, many people who took advantage of our research findings, and many of them successfully fought their disease, and there are still among us today, like this lady who had a brain tumor diagnosed 9 years ago. She's still alive in good health. We have people who are 10, 11 years without tumors such as lung tumor, lymphoma, and many others.